Thinking about selling but worried about buying with today's higher interest rates? We have two words for you: home equity. Hi, this is Realtor Karen McLean-Wilson, and this is Mabree McClung. Welcome to Team Tuesday.
A lot of people right now are thinking about selling, but are worried about higher interest rates when they go to buy their next house. On top of that, if you bought in recent years, you may have one of those unicorn rates in the 2 or 3% range.
Yeah, it can be daunting to think about going from 3% to 7% like it is right now, but a very important thing to keep in mind is your home equity and how that can possibly offset the affordability challenges with those higher interest rates.
Home equity is the portion of your home that you've paid off and own outright. So it's the difference between what your home is worth and how much you still owe on your mortgage. As your home's value increases and you pay down your principal, your equity stake grows.
We've been talking a lot about how equity has been growing rapidly in recent years. As home prices go up, and they've continued to do so even with the higher interest rates, your equity accumulates much faster.
According to CoreLogic, the average homeowner now has about $290,000 in equity. Keeping Current Matters pulled data from them and the FHFA, Census, and ATTOM, and what they found is that nearly 2/3 of homeowners have either fully paid off their mortgages or have at least 50% in equity.
So how does this help you buy your next home? First off, after you sell your home, you may have enough money built in your equity to be a cash buyer, particularly if you've been living in your current home for a long time. So if you don't need a loan, higher interest rates won't affect you.
If you don't have enough to be all cash, you may be in a position to use your equity for a much larger down payment on your next house. If you have more cash to put down, you don't have to borrow as much at the current higher interest rates. Increasing your down payments lowers your principal loan amount, so your loan-to-value ratio is lowered, which could also lead to a lower interest rate offer from a lender.
So there's lots to think about. If you want to discuss your options and what your home equity looks like right now, give us a call at 970-589-7700. We'd love to chat about selling and buying in today's real estate market. Thanks for joining us for Team Tuesday. Have a great day.